Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the challenges that firms, the law firms, accounting firm, mortgage brokers, and financial advisors face. It's not about the getting new clients; it's collecting the document they need. So teams spend hours sending follow-up email reminding clients about missing files and manually tracking requests submitted. In this video, I will show you how to build an AI client document collection system in n8n that automatically requests documents, tracks submission, send reminder email. So whenever a new client is added to our Google Sheet, let's say, so we have the client document tracker. So whenever a new client is added to in our Google Sheet, the workflow retrieves the client information, including their email address. They have it also have the second sheet that contain the list of required documents for this. For example, for tax filing, we require government ID, W-2, and bank statement. For example, if this person is for a service tax filing, then it use required document to send the email back. For example, if in so we can use schedule trigger, but for now we are using execute workflow manual trigger. So once you execute, you would now have the two Google Sheets. The first one is to get a required document that need, and the second is the client documents that has all the clients. So you can see we have all the clients here and four items, and now where we have the company documents where we have tax fillings, number, service required document. So now once you execute both steps, you would now we need to merge both of them. So for this we are using a merge node and the mode would be append, and we can also do combine, and the matching field would be uh, uh, should be as matching. So let's see. So we can also use, instead of combine, we can append both of them. For this, use this one. Now you can see we would have all together. For examples, we have the service, required document, client ID, client names, email, folder ID, and the pending. So it combined based on the service. And then once you have, now we need to have someone who can check. So we are using AI document checklist generator that will generate an email for the client. For examples, you can see we are giving a input which is this one from get rows, which is from get row sheet 1 and sheet from, we are giving this input. And now in the system message we are saying, okay, you are onboarding coordinator for personal assistant question service form. You will receive client information. Service they requested the list of required documents. You tasked to create a professional email requesting the required document. The email should greet the client by name, explain what the document are needed, list all required document using bullet point, politely ask the client to upload the document to this secure folder and with a professional closing. So and give me back as subject, email, checklist, and so now, once you execute this node, you would have something like the subject document submission required for tax billing. John Smith, and if I show you, you can. The next step would be the Gmail. In the to section, you need to use email. The uh, We can take it from the Google Sheet and Google Sheet one. You need to use email, and now there is some problem, but you need to define the email here, and then the subject would be used for this one, and for email you can use this email is something look like this. Thank you for choosing our tax filing service. To process with preparing your tax return, we need to collect the required document, government ID, W-2, and bank statement, which is the required document field for tax. So this workflow is basically send reminders to the client so that they can upload a document and then perform execution.